Hi guys, Tej here. In today's video, I am going to be doing a review of the top featured product, the Oral-B Genius X Limited Electric Toothbrush, where artificial intelligence guides you to get the best clean. Isn't that so cool? I'll drop the link in the description area so you can check for updated pricing and its availability. So let's get to it. The Oral-B Genius X Limited has a revolutionary artificial intelligence technology where motion sensors recognize your brushing style, connects you with the Oral-B app to get the best clean every single day. It comes in color black, white, and purple. It is priced at $199.99 on Amazon. Using Bluetooth and smartphone, it allows you to see and improve your daily brushing habits. It gives you real-time feedback about what areas you're brushing well in and what areas you're missing out on. You can actually use this information to keep track of your brushing techniques and get a better overall oral health. The 360 Smart Ring with LED colors allows you to personalize your brushing experience by selecting the colors you like. The Smart Ring works with an integrated time and pressure sensor that helps you evaluate how much time you're spending on a particular area of your mouth and how much pressure you're putting on a certain part of your mouth. Together, they help you make sure that you brush at least for 2 minutes, which is recommended by dentists, while also making sure that you don't put too much pressure on your gums and damage them in the long run. This electric toothbrush also has 6 brushing modes, so you can actually customize and play around with it as per your needs. For example, if you have sensitive teeth, pick the sensitive brushing mode and you're good to go. It comes with rechargeable handle, one brush head, a travel case, and a charger. The one of the thing that I really like is that it comes with a travel case. So usually when you travel around, you definitely would like to take that toothbrush in a very safe and a secure manner because it's a high technology product. So I feel that if it has a travel case, it would be really useful for you to carry it around. The device also has a lithium-ion battery which will run straight for 2 weeks. So you don't have to worry about the battery going off every now and then, and also you save a lot of time and electricity costs since you're just going to be charging like once every 2 weeks. Also, if you're somebody like me who likes to brush in the shower, you will like this toothbrush because it's waterproof. So you can actually take it in the shower and brush it. But remember that when you are going to charge the battery again, you have to make sure that it's completely dry. Otherwise, there might be consequences. So yeah, just take care of that little bit of detail and make sure it's nice and dry before you put it on the charge. The brush also comes with a 2-year warranty, and you can also make it 3 years by registering with Oral-B, which is definitely a nice bonus. One of my favorite feature in the toothbrush is the pressure sensor, which I don't get to see in a lot of toothbrushes, and I feel like it's a little feature, but it is so important because if you're putting like too much pressure on your gums, you may actually damage it and pay more eventually in the long run when you go to a dentist. And I like the fact that when I'm brushing, I have this AI tool that's going to guide me and tell me that, hey, you're doing too much, so decrease it. So I like that functionality because I feel that is so important. Like having healthy gums and brushing in the right technique is very important to maintain overall well-being of your teeth. So overall, I really love this Oral-B Genius X Limited Electric Toothbrush because it has made my smile and overall gums and my teeth a lot more healthier and prettier. So thank you so much for listening, and if you have any questions about this Oral-B Genius X Limited Electric Toothbrush, leave them in the comment section below. And just a reminder that I'll include the link in the description box below for its updated pricing and availability. Cheers to beautiful smile and have a good day.